Well, this should be interesting. It's early morning, just after sunrise. There's very little wind in the air. I've hardly had any sleep and I'm heavily medicated. So this should be fun. We're going to try and see how the Mould King's Super S33041 goes. Range-wise mainly. There's a couple of little issues about this quad before I start that I find rather annoying. The transmitter is cheap and tacky and awful. The original sticks were way too short. They got stuck when you moved them too far in any direction. First thing to do, take them out, replace them with something like the sticks from a CX10. The battery bay from the quad is much bigger than the battery. The stock battery is pretty rubbish. Despite the battery bay being larger, you can't really fit much of a larger battery in there because it's not wide enough. Also, without landing gear on, this quad will not sit flat on the ground, which, if like me you like to calibrate it before you fly it, is a little irritating. But I'm going to start off on low rates, see how it goes. Quad definitely has a lot of power. Only minor throttle when you're up in the air. It's already got a good yaw rate. Very shallow pitch. Move up in rate. Much deeper pitch. And well, that's as far as we got. There's an issue with range. Let's try that again. We'll go straight to high rates this time. And we're already dropping from the sky. This is unmodded. Exactly how it comes out of the box. And as you can see, the range is definitely an issue. You just fly it. And you can see that. Absolutely useless. I'll make sure the battery's plugged in tight and rebind it. Straight back into high rates. And we're not binding. Okay, I'm just going to go see if I've got another battery and if the battery's the problem. And there we have it, folks. I've tried 2 different batteries in it and the quad will not bind to the transmitter. So that is the full extent of the outdoor flight, the range, and how long you can expect this to last. It's a fun flyer, it's very cheap, but frankly, it's a waste of time buying this. It's so badly made, the build quality is terrible, that I wouldn't go near this with a 10-foot pole. I will go near this with a sledgehammer though.